Boys and girls, going to get the motor today. We're gonna stop by Turbo Pop's house here. You know, that's the man running the donk game in the Treasure Coast in South Florida area. If you don't know, now you know. All right, the man's a legend here.
You can see what we got going on right now. Ant picking up his boat. Long time coming.
This is how you kicking my ass out of here like that?
Oh, it's like that.
You're just putting me out there like that?
There's that curb warranty.
Yo, Hop, where you going, bro? What's going on here, man? Let them know what's going on here. You've been hanging out this whole time for this build, huh?
Hey, this car have came a long ways. I wish you guys could have seen it from the beginning. It's a bad motherfucker. Don't take this bitch nowhere. Everything was done in this garage. From suspension to wiring to painting. Boy, bad, man. Gotta give it to him. He bad. You know, I usually don't talk up on cars like this, but hey, this shit was done in-house. Nobody fucked with it. Man, it is what it is. Y'all gotta see it in person. They look better in person.
You see how easy we got the motor here, right? Back from Keys, he kicked my ass out, but you know, he didn't leave me hanging too much. So basically,
it was the first trip down the street with the new motor.
It runs good so far. I mean, it's all of what, 2 horsepower right there. But so guys, you know, I really don't like time lapses and stuff, but I mean, we got so much to do here, and we really need to focus. So if something interesting pops up, you know, we'll stop the time lapse and then we'll explain it and everything like that. But I mean, it's a basic motor, basic situation. We're gonna slide it in there. The plan today: get this motor dressed, get it in the car, throw the transmission in, throw the drive shaft in, then we can start working on the hot side, because that's the only thing that's holding us up from getting this thing running.
Big day today, Tony D. What's going on?
Man. All right, it's time. We're gonna stuff that motor in there. All right, we got it all dressed out. Got everything protected nice. All cleaned up good. We got the bell housing on. Now we could stuff it in there with the transmission, but we're trying not to. We're trying to make it easy as possible, and we don't want to scratch anything. So that's why we're doing it that way.
Well, you just have to tell them.
Yeah,
Go in
it's
there and
tilted
tilt
and
it back.
just like nice and easy. A little shoehorn. Might not even have to tilt it much.
Got Keith there as well, master mechanic.
Keith in the house.
Big day today at
wouldn't let
Tony's
me mess with
garage.
this. He wouldn't even let me touch it. All right? He like
Somebody's got to supervise.
he totally took over the project here.
Yeah, now I'm supervising.
All right, so we got we got the supervisor in the house.
Supervising.
Oh shit! I don't know. You know. All right, we're already losing parts.
Bolt literally just came out of the engine, but we're not worried about it. We're just gonna keep going. It is a Ford, so we're expecting this to happen.
There's never
No big deal.
There's always like 1 or 2 bolts that you just don't need.
We do have a couple extra bolts in here, but Tony D.
That's 2 cars worth.
Tony D will figure it out later.
See, if I would have tubed the front, then wouldn't have to worry about that.
Yeah, then you could have shut the train right in there.
Race car stuff. This is still like regular car stuff. Oh yeah, we got it. Oh. Now we just gotta make sure we clear. I think we're gonna be good on the wheels. Yeah, we got it. Beautiful.
Stop that thing as it goes down, so it'll go back.
Yep.
We got room back there.
Yeah. See, that's where we might have to tilt it.
Want to fit in there with the bell housing?
Yeah, it came out with a bell housing. I put it in there a couple times with bell housing.
Yeah, turn them out. Turn it sideways.
We want to tilt it back.
Other one. Turn them out. So you don't bang your feet.
All right. Oh yeah. Yep. That's just right. Keep going. Yep. Okay, we're getting close. Keep going. Keep going. All right, so we just got to give it a little. This thing's great, man. Down a little bit. Okay, you can sit him down. Yep. Okay, we're in. Yep. All the way down.
You don't have like a 2-foot level?
Yeah.
A 3-foot level?
Yeah, I got one.
So you can go valve cover to valve cover? I'm sure the car itself is probably pretty
Yeah, it's pretty straight. Damn. Ooh, that nut just makes it.
little nuts. Things on a little nuts.
This side's definitely.
Yeah, I see a scratch mark coming now.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Fuck it. We took a picture. It's pretty, and that's it. Okay.
Tell you, nail polish, man. Hit the ladies' aisle. Get some nail polish. Perfect touch-up paint.
Like, oh, do you want the Dodge Gray?
I make it that great.
You get any shade you want. You can get some metallic in there if you want to. Get some chameleon.
That's old school.
You're striping somebody's cars on nail polish.
It almost looks like we know what the fuck we're doing here.
Just look at that.
So looks like
This side needs to go.
she gotta go right there. Maybe I'll put a bar. It's gotta be slid this way now. Oh, you moved it. Yep. Take a little bit more.
Can you pull up on that side?
Pull up on this side?
Yeah, I gotta go back up. I might have pulled it too much. Better give it another little bump there. Nice between the lines.
Good, right?
Yeah, snug them down. Up the way. Roll her out of there.
How many flat spots do you think are going to be in the tires? Oh, yeah, it's good. We got in there nicey nice, didn't even scratch nothing. Amazing. You know what I mean? Camaros and shit? What's going on here? What? What happened?
I got nothing to say.
You got nothing to say.
Look, come here, I wanted to show you something.
What happened
Gotta
there?
check this out.
His car?
Yeah, since this is your car,
Yeah.
so you can get used to looking at the back of that one.
Oh, it's already in the perfect spot. Oh.
In the garage. We'll see how long it lasts.
Oh,
on the
shit.
road. I think it's more of an art piece than anything.
It's non-functional art.
Yeah.
Art Deco,
Yeah.
Art Deco.
yard ornament.
Looks good though.
Oh, we're getting there. John, what's this thing about, bro? You get them cross drills and shit. What's going on here?
Not bad. You'll be working on it soon. Making
Oh boy. We're gonna see this car in the future.
Yeah, you'll be making some videos.
What's it about? What is that thing?
2013 Camaro SS, 2SS.
Two super slow. Super slow.
Needs to be a little woken up.
We gotta wake him up a little bit,
Yeah,
right?
gotta wake it up.
Yeah, we'll wake him up.
Completely stock right now, so we'll see how it goes.
It's all right. Virgin. We like virgins.
Definitely tight up front.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I gotta set the springs and all that stuff.
Probably end up dropping them down a little bit.
Yeah. It's right about there. It's pretty close. I had the fenders on at one point. Yep. Feels like it's on fixed.
Just gotta jump on it.
Yeah, it'll be all right. I gotta loosen them up a little bit.
Well, you can add more weight to the front too. It's all accessories.
Yeah, plus the radiator, the fucking intercooler, and all that stuff. Terpski.
Yeah, ready to slide that Terpski back in there. Huh?
Oh yeah. Stick that back in there. See how she looks. All right, JK.
You ready?
What's the story here?
Let's
What
do
happened?
this. Transmission time.
Transmission time, huh? Yeah. All right. So we got the motor in the car, tilted back. We loosened up the motor mounts a little bit, tilted back. The clutch is on, bell housing, all that stuff. Got the tranny under there. Ready to stick her up in there. All right. So just gonna go in there, nice. Sorry guys, we haven't been super. What is it? Super paying attention to the actual production of this video because it's just so many things to think about. Got to be safe too, and at the same time, I'm a little excited today. So just kind of forgot, and then we had lunch, and the next thing you know, boom, now we're here. Okay, so just take notice how I got the car set up. All right, I like using wheels. Hate jack stands because we're too much shit going on. But that's how we're looking so far. And we're gonna stick that transmission up in there and get the drive shaft in. This way we can start looking at how the hot side's gonna look, because it's gonna be an absolute disaster to get the passenger side of the hot side squared away. So It is what it is. I was expecting it.
Not using this, I guess.
I mean, fuck it.
Okay.
I mean, this isn't the way to do it, but
I'm gonna hold that in.
if you can just hold it like in the middle. And line it up. Up. That's right. Uh-oh.
Oh, what? Tell me you got bolts down here.
Yeah.
I'm good here to not to hold it anymore, right?
Mm-hmm. Bro, did it really just fall in there like that?
I mean, so far.
All right. We're not mad at that. No way.
Too easy?
Guys, what you just saw does seriously is not edited, and that does not happen. Bro, what if this thing's a total piece of shit?
I'll buy the car from you.
You buy it? $2,500?
25 for an LS and then you're done.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, going back, if I had to do it again, I'd probably do an LS or a Coyote motor.
Coyote would be nice too, to keep it with the Ford theme, you know?
Plus, I mean, this motor, it's old. And the amount of money it cost me to get it in the shape it's in now, I mean, I could have been almost 3/4 of the way away from doing a Coyote swap. So, it's not the most cost efficient, but I don't know. We went this way. Who knew? All right, so let's just check this. All right, these two bolts. One, just hand tight them. Remember those bushings were saying that these things, they squeak.
Yeah.
Oh, I love working on my back, dude. Right? Makes you feel alive. Right about there is good.
Need to lower it, right?
No, go ahead, jack it up. Uh-huh. Yep. Okay. Do-do-do-do. Work smarter, not harder. Okay?
It's hitting. I need to lift it up a little bit.
Nope.
You got it.
Alright. Nice.
Get this jack out or not yet?
Yeah, you can pull them out. Boom. That's it. Now we have where the motor's going to sit. You know what I
You
mean?
didn't need the jack for that?
Nope, that's it. It's done. The job's done. Just got to tighten this up.
Job's done.
Yeah, tighten this all up. Tighten this up. And that's it. Transmission's in. Hook the clutch up. Clutch will be in. Let's see where it has it. All right, guys. Well, everybody kind of took off for the day. It was fortunate that I had some help from good friends. There's nothing better than having your friends come out, give you a hand, especially on a really cool day like today when we're dropping the motor in for the first time and seeing how everything's going to look. Motor's in, transmission's in. I just got to throw the drive shaft up. Now I got to be totally honest and transparent here. If you guys are going to hang out with me, Tony D fucked up. So let me show you what happens when you're impatient. Okay, it's very simple. I think it's a pretty good one. I think it's actually pretty hysterical. But Tony D fucked up here. All right, a little too close. So I just got to remake this. Don't rush. All right, I rushed. I was impatient, and I had to mock the thing up, and I missed by about 3 inches. So it is what it is. But I think it's pretty funny. Everything else looks really good. Really, really happy. I do gonna put a 90-degree adapter on the filter. That's got to go, but the transmission's in, motor's in. Oh yeah. So I got a lot of work to do now. I'm going to dress the whole front of the engine and get ready to attack the hot side, adjust the dump for the wastegate. It's definitely going to be some engineering, some Tony D engineering. This excites me though, because I enjoy working with tubing. So we'll have a good time doing that. That'll be for another day. So in the meantime, I got some work to do. I'm going to knock out buttoning up the rest of the drive line, so we have a nice fresh canvas on when we put the hot side together. All right, there'll be no more mistakes or no more mishaps, because we have everything we need now to get all the major parts ready to fire this sucker up. All right, it's funny how I think you'll knock something out real quick, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh, I forgot about that little detail or this, and it just reminds you the stuff isn't that easy sometimes, but you can't get discouraged either. You know, one step at a time. That's it. That's all it comes down to. Do the old double wrench trick on these. Click, nice and tight. I gotta double check timing marks after this, because it might move the motor a little tiny bit. I'll try to keep it top dead center as much as possible until we're ready to fire it up, in case I gotta pull the distributor out. I probably will pull it out to prime it one time. Well, here's how we're looking underneath. This drive shaft, guys, I think this drive shaft came out of a Crown Vic that got shortened. Pretty sure. So we want to check the space in between here. You need a little space here for the bumps. Okay. So that rear end goes up. The shaft goes in and out a little bit. So you got to make sure that's straight. That's good. We got a plate. We got plenty of space. That's how we're looking. When I did the overview on the car, see here, you can see it real good. You know, stuff like this is stock transmission mount, but stuff like this, I went around and welded everything. Okay, everything's welded up, you see? Boom, boom. You know, in the back, you know, even the torque boxes, you know, all the torque boxes are welded up solid, you see? When I try to have the car stiff as possible. That's how we're looking underneath, guys. Everything's nicely nice. We got the upgraded the starter to that high torque starter, none of that big bulky Ford old school one. So I make the downpipe, you know, I got a lot of room here now. Downpipe will come here nice. Just do one exit, probably dump it somewhere. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this one. I am beat. I gotta get out from underneath this car. But thank you very much for watching. We're having a real good time over here, and it's been a tough year for everybody. So pretty much stay focused on your builds out there. Slow and steady is the name of the game, alright guys? So we got a lot more coming on this one. Getting the hot side done, all the little details, stuff like that. You guys gotta drop in the comments if you want to see all the little details, or you know, just want me to like go over some of the things I do, because I'm still learning what the vlogging style video action too. So let me know kind of like what you guys want to see. I mean, if there's anything specific, you know, feel free to just drop it in the comments, and maybe we'll do something like that. But in the meantime, guys, all right, be safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, peace.